Hey guys, welcome back to Breadbox Racing and 4x4. What do you do when your Jeep needs more power? You give that sucker a V8. That's what we're doing today. We're getting that 6-liter LS that you saw in the last video into the Jeep. Hey guys, before the video starts, please consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. I'm not going to waste your time. Back to the video. Okay, we're getting that 6-liter LS that you saw in the last video into the Jeep. It's not going to be mounted up properly until the day after tomorrow, but it's going in. And then I'm going to have to do a bunch of math and figuring to figure out where I want to place it, what angles I want, all that good stuff. Anyways, let's get to her.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, it's a new day. We got the 6-liter ready to go into the Jeep, but we don't have the Jeep ready for the 6-liter to go into it. We gotta pull a motor mount, a couple other small things, and then hopefully we'll be able to just drop this right in there. God, I hope so. I don't expect it to go that way. I expect it to be a fight every step of the way. But that's what we signed up for. Anyways, let's get to it. Alright guys, so that was probably a lot to take in the time lapse, but basically what we've done is we've made a lifting plate with 2 pieces of angle iron. This works similar to say the lifting plate you can buy from Cletus McFarland. At least in theory. It should work. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Anyways, we've got the pivot on here. I'm gonna start jacking this thing up and we're gonna see if we can get it into the Jeep. I'm hoping this works first try, because if it doesn't, because it's gone horribly, horribly wrong. All right, guys. Sitting behind this radiator. That being LS. All in all, things went fairly well once I fixed my engine hoist. It wanted to fold over the one direction and it was super unstable, so I shimmed one of the feet by like an inch and I took the jib off, angled it to compensate for the fact that it's bent to one side so it's centered again so it doesn't just want to flop over. Once we dealt with that, she basically just fell right into place. We got her supported off the crank now. That's highly temporary. There is another support at the back. It's not all on the one jack stand. So other things we've done, we figured out our throttle cable setup. For the throttle cable, we're using the cable out of my 2001 Chevy 2500. That's where the engine came from. And it fit the stock gas pedal in the Jeep. The firewall grommet fit. You know, it's I'm not sure how it fits this good, but it does, so I'm not going to complain. And obviously it fits right in the throttle body because that's the cable it came with. For the cruise control, I had to file the bracket a little bit to square the hole out to fit the square barb on the Jeep's cruise control. After I did that, the little nubbin end on it fit the GM throttle body. It's a little, like I can take it off, not too hard, but I'm not worried about it. I don't think it's gonna just come off on its own. So the only thing I gotta do is get a little clamp to shorten the cable up by like 1/8 of an inch. Other than that, it basically just worked. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Helps out big time.